Hello everyone, I'm Davis Latham. We're live in the newsroom right now. We're tracking Tropical Storm Irma. It's no longer a hurricane. So we're going to go out and we're going to look at that system and we're going to see how everyone is reacting to the storm and see how we can survive out there. Right now we're here with Ryan Lloyd, Area Director of Preston Residential College. Ryan has told us to go out in the storm. He wants live footage out here. I said, Ryan, I think it's too dangerous. He said, Davis, not a lot going on. We're going to wait until it gets more rainy. This has been your 12 o'clock update. Okay everyone, and we're back for our 2 o'clock update. The interesting thing about wind is actually the higher you go, the higher the wind speed is. So right now we're not feeling it. But if you were in a weather balloon, you'd be in a really unfortunate situation right now. Well, pretty fast moving, easy to get swept up. So everyone, let's stay inside. Good morning, Columbia. Not a lot of wind. Get inside, everyone. It's dangerous. Oh, here we go. We're out here. This is our 2 o'clock weather update from Davis Latham. It's coming down hard, but we're here to get you not live shots, probably 2-day-old shots. So don't rely on us for your weather update. It's actually probably nice and clear outside where you are. Come on. Get inside. It's dangerous out here. We're here. We're making sure everyone stays safe and stays inside. I feel obligated to help our fellow citizens. That's why you should vote for me for Wing Liaison. Get inside, ma'am! It's raining out here! It's pouring! You need an umbrella or something! Oh god, she's in the worst attire for this story. I cannot think. Oh god. Get inside! Wow. Get inside! No one is heeding our warnings. In fact, they just look at us like we're freaks. We are risking life and limb to be out here and give you the reporting 2 days late. My hands are cold. Our wind speed's picked up a little bit. Hurricane force winds will do to a tree. Here's a tree. Right now I'm just walking out, very dangerous. Oh god! The most dangerous thing in a storm is the people. This rain jacket is not waterproof. I feel all the water on me and it is cold. That's going to be our 2 o'clock update. We'll see you at 4. I'm here in downtown campus. This is your 4 o'clock weather update. Just a few minutes ago, this area was dry, but as you can see, we've had a huge storm surge come and create water cyclones. Wow, incredible. It's an incredible sight, but very dangerous. I don't advise anyone being out in this area. We got a woman over there. Get inside, it's dangerous. It does feel slightly windier than when we were last out here, actually, on second thought, and it's actually definitely raining harder. All around, the storm is worse now than it was before. Right now, we're going to head back in. It's getting pretty rainy. You're going to see us next at our 7 o'clock update, and we think it's going to be the worst of it. That should be our final update, not because we're dying, but just because it'll get pretty late to be out here recording. Oh, is this jogging weather? Want to go on a run, you guys? This is Davis Latham signing out for the 4 o'clock hour. Hello, it's Davis Latham reporting. It's the 7 o'clock hour. We're on our final leg of our storm chasing mission. Looking pretty good. As you can see, the river's picked up a little bit. It's pretty nice out here, actually, I'd say. I think the hurricane was a big success for us. If you're not out here right now, what are you doing?
What are you doing with your life?
What do you have better to do? I'm a bit cold, not gonna lie.
Davis, can we swim in this?
Right here. Ty, don't do that. Come on.
Can we take a swim in this?
Why did you do that? Ty! Someone must be calling me.
Put the sailboat out there.
I can't run. Thank you everyone for watching. This is Davis Latham reporting live from inside Tropical Storm Irma.